legendaren Bonnie Taylor i Malmö repeterar sin Eurovisionslåt. Efter så är det presskonferens.
Tyler from Great Britain, a warm hand! Bonnie Tyler! Hi!
Yeah, some of us.
Yeah. Mother always brought me out on this kind of motto sort of thing. She used to say, believe in yourself and go for it, because nobody else is going to do it for you, right? And she also used to say, you're as good as anybody out there. No better, but as good as everybody out there. Hold your head up. And I always put me in this is my mother's ring, and she's with me today.
How lovely. I love it.
Shall I get rid of it?
What do you think about Malmö?
Malmö? Oh, it's lovely. What I've seen of it, it's really nice, yeah. And I went to the you know where they have the clock? Back in the middle, they said.
Hold the flag.
Let's borrow this.
Fantastic.